Hi everyone. In today's video, we'll take a look at 6 things you can do with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is OpenAI's LLM, which is the large language model based chatbot. Alright, so on my screen right now, I have ChatGPT open. It is very simple to sign in. It is free. You can try it out yourself, and all you need is just a web browser. So once you've signed in, you would have access to Chat GPT. The free version gives you access to GPT model 3.5, and then a paid version will give you access to GPT model 4. GPT 4 is much more advanced, but for this demo, we'll just take a look at 3.5. All right, so for the first thing, you can get ChatGPT to write stories for you. So all you need to do is just give it a prompt. Write me a children's bedtime story around friendship. And once you give it a prompt, it will spit out a story within seconds. The story will be completely legible and actually it's pretty good. I have used ChatGPT to write a children's bedtime story called AI Tell Me a Story. I'll drop the link in the description of this video, but do check it out. So that is demo number 1. For demo number 2, you can get ChatGPT to spell check and grammar check your textual content. So what do I mean by that? You can just say grammar check this and just drop it here. There you go. So I asked it to grammar check this sentence. It has corrected the sentence and given me the correct output back. Number 3, you can get ChatGPT to summarize any story, any book for you. So let's take a look how you do that. You just say summarize the book theme topologies. So even after a typo, it has detected the book and it has summarized the book for me. Very nice. If you don't have time to read the whole book, you can just do this, get the gist of what the book is about, and off you go. And not just one book, but you can summarize the whole collection, the whole series of books. So summarize all the Harry Potter books in a single paragraph. All right, how cool is that? That's demo number 3. Now, for demo number 4, you can ask ChatGPT to write a business email for you. So you can say something like, write a business email politely rejecting the proposal for an RFP for a new construction site. And ChatGPT will then write a very nice email for you. And you just have to copy paste. You can use ChatGPT for a lot of other business scenarios as well. All right, so the 5th thing that you can do with ChatGPT is give you a SWOT analysis, S.W.O.T, SWOT analysis for any company. So to do that, you just type in me a SWOT analysis for Facebook. And then that gives you the output. What you can also do is get the same output in a tabular format. So what you do is you just say, give me SWOT analysis for Microsoft in a tabular format. So you can still get the same output and you can choose how the output must be delivered to you. So I've just done the same thing, but I've asked it to give me the information in a tabular format. And for the 6th demo, you can actually ask ChatGPT to assume a role and give you ideas from the perspective of that role. So to do that, you can say, assume the role of a marketing manager and suggest ideas to promote my book, Tell Me a Story. So I've just asked it to give me some ideas to promote a book, and it has given me multiple ideas to do so. So those were 6 things that you can do with ChatGPT. Do let me know in the comments down below what you think about ChatGPT and what are you using ChatGPT for. And of course, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with your network, and subscribe to this YouTube channel because that helps a lot. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in another video. Bye.